guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurora. If you are new here, welcome. Today we are going to be discussing hair. That's why my hair is natural like this. So I have grown my hair out pretty quickly, I would say. I had it in a really blunt bob not too long ago. I'll insert pictures here. From that blunt cut to where it is now, which is pretty much at my waist, I would say. My hip is right here, my belly button. So from up here to down here, it took about 2 years, but it immediately started growing and got, I would say, to my chest in less than 7 months, like super quickly. I'm gonna be showing you all the things that I did to make that happen. I have a lot to share, a lot of tips and tricks and products. But before we get started, make sure that if you like videos all about makeup, hair, fashion, decor, DIYs on a budget, that you go down below and hit subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I look like Elvis. Oh my god. Turn on your post notifications and every time I post, you'll be notified. I usually post on Mondays and Fridays. And if you would like to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Okay, let's get into what I do with my hair. So first and foremost, I do dye my hair. I will insert a picture of the dye that I use. There's actually 2 types that I use. One I prefer, the other one I just get when I can because it's easier, especially right now during quarantine. So the first tip, or the first thing that I do that might make a difference for you, is I don't go and get trims. Now I know that that is like very controversial, or I guess it's not. I just feel like everybody and their mom says you need to cut your dead ends to make your hair grow. Here's the thing with that, and here's what I found works for me. If you are putting heat to your hair every single day, if every time that you run your fingers through your hair is breaking off, yes, you may need to go chop the dead hair off and just start again. But for me, I felt like I would be getting trims on hair that wasn't that dead to begin with, and it would just be cutting off any progress that I made, and then I was just constantly in this rut. And of course, your hair grows up here, obviously not down here, but if this part is just riding up every single time that this part grows, you're not gonna see any growth. What I would recommend is doing things to remedy your hair. My shampoo and my conditioner. This shampoo is my favorite. It's one I always go back to whenever I just want to have my hair grow longer and healthier and faster. This is Mane and Tail shampoo. This is like, I think, for horses, but I've been using this on and off for years. This gives you very healthy hair. Definitely recommend Mane and Tail. You'll get a ton too. I got this at Walmart. I think it was in the pet section. So humans, you can use this too. It's not some like weird white girl, horse girl thing. This product right here is what has grown my hair, I think, because it's what changed my hair quality and the appearance and texture of my hair overall. This is L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. You need the balm. I have the conditioner too, and it's great, but the balm, let me show you the inside. This is a new bottle, so I use it, you can tell, but probably gone through like 20 vats of this in my life. It is so good. It's so good. Again, they market it as like a balm or like a hair treatment. I use it every single time I'm in the shower. You really want to grab some, work it into your ends. Make sure that when you put conditioner on, you're not just like doing this and then moving on. You want to work it into your hair. It's like moisturizer. If you just put moisturizer on your skin and then moved on to the next step, it's just going to slip and slide. It's not going to absorb, and then when you go to rinse it off, you're basically just throwing your money away. Literally, go and use this one time and you'll come back and you'll tell me it will change your hair, trust me. So then every time I get out of the shower, I didn't do it yet because I wanted to show you guys, I like to put argan oil on my hair. This, oh my gosh, I like literally just bought this and look how much I've used already. This brand was very popular when I was like in the 6th grade, because that was when I got obsessed with YouTube, because I was looking up hair videos. So obviously Moroccan argan oil is good for your hair. It's a great oil to put in your hair. The major tip, you gotta stop washing your hair. You have to. And it's gross. I don't know, I'm somebody who gets really grossed out. I feel like I need to take a shower like 2 times a day, especially during the summertime. You sweat, you exercise, all of that. I get it. But when you wash your hair every single day, you are stripping your hair of all of the natural oils that it needs to be able to grow out your hair. But the point is that you need to stop washing your hair every single day. Do what works for you. If you can only do, okay, I'm gonna wash my hair every other day, do that. Obviously, you take a shower every day. When I get in the shower, sometimes I'll rinse it with water if I was like working out or something like that. This is gonna be your best friend, Baltise. This is my favorite one. It's their cherry one. It'll freshen up your hair. It'll make everything nice and clean, but without stripping your hair of those oils between washes. I hope this answers your guys' questions and gives you guys some really practical advice on how to finally get a hold of your hair and its length. If you try any of these products out, please let me know. But yeah, guys, that's everything from me. Thank you so much for watching, as always. Please subscribe if you're not already, and if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Bye, guys.